Welcome. You are watching the campus news from Holy Cross College Nagarkoil. News for the first half of February 2025. The 7th of February 2025, Library Day. In the Library Day celebration, a celebration of knowledge and learning, Dr. Sister Mary Gilda, the Secretary of the College, gave the presidential address, and Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the Principal of the College, offered her felicitations. The chief guest of the day, Mr. A.B.S. Ando, a distinguished member of the Veerama Munivar Speakers Forum, passionately spoke on the theme, Books, a Weapon for Success, emphasizing the transformative power of reading in shaping one's future. Adding a personal touch to the celebration, the special invitee, Dr. M. Lima Rose, an alumna from the 1974-79 batch and retired professor of English of our college, stressed the importance of belonging to the reading tribe, underscoring the lifelong benefits of engagement with books. The day-long celebration of reflection and inspiration concluded with captivating on-stage performances by the students. The 10th of February 2025, Shuttle-Free Day. The Eco Club of the college observed a shuttle-free day on the campus, an initiative to promote environmental consciousness in the students. On this day, all stakeholders of the college were encouraged to park their two-wheelers and four-wheelers at a destination outside the college, making the campus free from smoke and vehicular emissions, a remarkable step towards awakening consciousness to think about the impact of daily choices in foreseeing cleaner air, healthier lives, and greener future. The 12th of February 2025, Kavalan app, a friend for women. In an event organized by the Sexual Harassment Cell of our college aimed at enhancing women's safety, the chief guest, Mr. S. Alex Karthik, the South Region Coordinator of Anti-Drug Committee Tamil Nadu, and the guest of honor, Thiru Vijayan, a sub-inspector of police from the Nesamani Nagar Police Station, Nagarkoil, educated the students about tools and resources available for protection and introduced the Kavalan app as an essential safety measure for women in distress. On the same day, in a technical talk organized by the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in collaboration with the Institutions Innovation Council, on the potential of AI and generative AI innovative transformations, the chief guest, Mr. A. Mohammad Azaruddin, project manager of CAD Point Engineering Solutions Private Limited, Marthandam, shared his expertise and insights on how generative AI serves as a powerful technology that has the potential to transform innovative practices across numerous industries and business processes. The 13th of February 2025, Camp on Zero Balance Saving Account. In an initiative to promote financial inclusion, the Department of Commerce, in collaboration with the India Post Savings Bank, conducted a camp in which Dr. N. Mohan Kumar, the branch manager of India Post Savings Bank, Nagarkoil, along with Ms. Abhinaya, an officer from the Postal Department, educated the participants about various services offered by India Post. More than 50 students opened zero balance savings account during the camp. The 14th of February 2025, Entrepreneurship for Sustainable Development. In separate sessions organized for the staff and students of the college, the chief guest, Dr. A. Ravindran, Regional Joint Director of Collegiate Education, Tirunelveli, oriented the participants on sustainable business ventures and inspired the participants to explore opportunities in sustainable entrepreneurship, building lives and livelihoods. These are the latest from the campus. Holy Cross College Nagarkoil takes pride in its winning streak that continues in each day and every minute of the year. Stay tuned until we meet in another edition of Campus News. Thank you.